Hello everybody. Today it will be small life hack, how to store your big drill bits. I take 50 mm diameter plastic pipe and two 5-liter plastic bottles. Measured 1 meter and 20 centimeters, and cut pipe. Longest drill bit I have is 1 meter. Next cut bottle cap with thread to make cap for pipe. And I use screws and duct tape to fix bottle cap on pipe. Doing the same on another pipe side. Now I can store all my drill bits in one place, also it comfortable to transportation. Thank you for your attention.